Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to another fun session of coffee painting. Today we will learn about materials required to do coffee painting and we will learn about how to make shades using coffee. So to get started, this is what we will need. Let's learn how to create different shades of coffee. Coffee paint is created simply by adding coffee to water and varying the strength to get different tones. Now let's try our shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this session as much as I did. If you guys did, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next session where we will see basics of coffee painting.